Mhm. Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin. We're going with it. A design point, my edit. Design with clarity. I'm a brand nice. Design with clarity, influence with vision. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to remove Gemini watermark from photos generated from Gemini AI. So let us dive in. So hello everyone. As you all know, my name is Ashwin. We're going with it. My the design prince. So I'm going to show you on how to remove Gemini watermark from photos generated from Gemini AI to let it look hyper realistic, like you go and shoot it in a photo shoot studio. So let's first you open your Chrome. Then you search this website, Pixel Cuts Object Remover. Then you start. So the first thing you will see on your browser, you will click on it. Then you see they say that remove unwanted objects from photos online for free. So you can remove any object you want to remove from your photo, maybe a woman or something distracting in your photo. But in this video, we want to remove Gemini watermark. So then you press upload image. It will access your photos. Then go to this. I'm coming. I'm like this one. Let us use this one. See, it has shown you. So let your brush size be minimal. Then you shade this place where the Gemini watermark is there. Then you click erase. Then it is erased. You see, it is now erased. Oh, sorry. You see now, there is not a watermark. No. So that there's no watermark there. Then you click on save. Then it will saved to download to your external storage of your phone. Free. You see it has downloaded. You see there's not any watermark, Gemini watermark there. Let us check the before. You see now there's not any watermark. So let us go and check it before. That you see the difference that you see this is before. Look. Then after, look at it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share my video for more tutorial about AI and graphics design. So my name is Ashwin. Welcome with it. My video design prince. I'm the CEO of my edits. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you on how to design a simple business flyer. Bye.